Jopuonjre mag mbalariany no kendo bende obuogo bago ng'anyo bang' ndalo 14 poni sirikal orem chopo dwaro margi mar wito oko chenro manyien mar siro somo e mbalariany. Jopuonjre go wacho ni gidhi chwalo ywak margi e doho kendo gidwaro ni od bura mondo dadho jagoro mongirore migawono ma bende gikoni mibadhi osekwako. Giseyo okang' mar Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto chuoga put marango okenge mag bero chenro mag siro somb jopuonjre go.
As a union, as UN, and I'm hoping that all comrades from all universities will join us into this. We want to issue a 14-day strike notice upon agreeing on the date, where we shall also submit a petition to the court and to the parliament to challenge the implementation for this model, because where we are seeing these committees as a delaying tactic.
If you tell me that the committee is going to review the funding model in 2 months, my question is, how are these students going to join the school? Because after 2 months, we are going to start our exams. You have killed the dream of these students.
We don't want reforms. All that we want is that model to be disbanded. Comrades power! Power! Comrades rear! Comrades disbandment!